Previously, we styled our buttons, which happen to be our unordered list, inside of our div with the class buttons. And if you recall, we were able to see our unordered list. I can't really select the bullets, but you might be able to see them there on the background, right here and right up here. But it's the bullets to the list. We want to get rid of those bullets. What we're going to do is go back right after our main nav buttons, that div, which positions our unordered list. We're going to now target main nav buttons again, and then we'll drill down a little further to the unordered list. So main nav, then buttons, and then the unordered list in our compound selector. And what we do is we zero out the margin and the padding, and we're going to set the list style type to none. This gets rid of the bullets. So let's go ahead and find the list item, and let's just add our anchor element, and we'll do one here on next, like so. And if we open an anchor is a closed element, so let's make sure we close our anchor correctly, like so. After the anchor, let's go ahead, href equals, and our quote mark. And we're going to do the same for this one here. href equals quote. So in this href, for previous, you add the URL to the student's domain above yours. The list I display here is also available in your Canvas class. If you are 003, then previous is 002 for you. If you are 003, then 004 is next for you. Now, all you need to do is add the remaining part of the path to get to the previous and the next student's exercise. We begin with the student's URL, then we add exercise 04 forward index.html. And then we end up with the absolute URL to their index file within their domain. You're going to do basically the same thing with the next button. You're going to begin with the student's domain. You're going to add exercise 04 index.html, and then you will end up with the final URL for the next student.